Is that the soft side or
Never mind. This guy has the bolt gun for free.
Wait. Tell him what you're doing now.
I'm about to eat some balut.
And explain to those who don't know what that is.
It's a fertilized chicken egg.
Wait. Make sure they get
It's
it.
like juice. You gotta drink the juice first. I'll take it apart and show you what it looks like.
Yes.
As you can see, there's the baby. That's a big one.
Yum. That looks delicious.
So there's the baby. See, Telf, look, it's a baby chicken.
Yeah.
Baby chicken. Pop it in some salt. Down the hatch. Delicious.
And what's that?
It's all the yolk.
Is it yolk?
Yeah, it's the yolk. It's an egg, dude. It's an egg.
With a baby chicken in it.
I like this part. I only half of it. This
No,
is the
you
yolk.
gotta go all the way.
No, it's the
You
yolk.
got to.
It turns hard. See, guys? It's hard. Like, really hard. I don't eat all of it. I hate it. It's nasty.
You should do it though. This is your YouTube
No.
moment.
No, man. For those who know and eat balut, the batu is not good. It's the stone. They call it the stone.
It's stone?
Yeah, I'm good. Delicious.
Oh snap.